Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is isotopes. First of all, we have to know what are isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of an element. The atoms of an element that have same atomic number but different mass number. That will be called isotope. The atoms of an element that have same atomic number and different mass number are called isotopes. We know that atomic number is equal to number of protons in any atom, and mass number is equal to sum of proton and neutron in any atom. For example, isotopes of hydrogen are 3. As we know, isotopes will have proton number or number of protons or atomic number will be same. So proton of hydrogen is 1. In all these isotopes, number of protons will be equal to 1. Number of neutrons will be changed. There will be 0, there will be 1 neutron, and there will be 2 neutron. This is hydrogen, this is also hydrogen, and this is also hydrogen. So hydrogen has 3 isotopes. First one is called protium. It will be represented as 1 and 1. This one is atomic number and this one is mass number. And second one is deuterium, and it will be represented as 2 1. This is atomic number, this is mass number, because 1 and 1 will be equal to 2. And this last one is tritium. It will be represented as 3 1, because 1 and 2 is equal to mass number. In these all number of protons is same, because atomic number is 1 1 1, but mass number is changed. There is 1, there is 2, there is 3. So these will be called isotopes, and these are the isotopes of hydrogen. Similarly, carbon has also 3 isotopes, and in these all number of protons will be same, that is 6. P6, P6 and P6. Number of neutron will be changed. There are 6 neutron, there are 7 neutron, and there are 8 neutron. So first isotope of carbon is as 612, second is as 613, 6 plus 7, and third is as 614. 14, 13 and 12 is mass number, and 6 is atomic number. Similarly, isotopes of chlorine, there are 2 isotopes of chlorine are as, first one is as 17 atomic number and 35 mass number, and second isotope is as 17 atomic number and 37 mass number. So chlorine has 2 isotopes. Similarly, isotopes of uranium are also 2. First isotope is as U92 234, and second one is U92 238. So the isotopes of uranium are two isotopes. So these all were isotopes and these examples of isotopes. Now we will discuss about uses of isotopes. The first use of isotopes is as radiotherapy. Isotopes can be used as treatment of cancer. Radiotherapy means treatment of cancer. How to diagnose the cancer? So there are many isotopes that are used. Some of isotope can penetrate strongly, and some isotopes can penetrate weakly. Like P32 can penetrate less penetrating, so that is used for diagnosis of or treatment of skin cancer. And other isotopes are as C cobalt 60. This is strongly penetrating. And that will be used in any type of cancer. But P32 is used in treatment of skin cancer because it is less penetrating, and cobalt 60 will be used in any type of cancer because it is strongly penetrating isotope. The second use of isotope is as tracer for diagnosis and medicine. By using isotope we can trace or diagnose or identify which disease is identified or diagnosed, and we can also use these isotopes as medicine. For example, isotope iodine 131, it is used for diagnosis of goiter. That is formed in thyroid gland. As we know that our body has glands, in these glands there is also a thyroid gland. So when the length of thyroid gland increases, a goiter is formed. So iodine 131 can be used for diagnosis and treatment for this goiter. And third use is as archaeological and geological uses. Archaeological and geological mean, archaeological means old materials that are past many years ago. We can study about this by using isotopes. For this we use a term that is called radioactive dating. By using this term we can find how many year old is this chemical or this element. This one is radioactive dating, and other dating is also formed that is called carbon dating. In both these we can determine the age. Determination of age of old objects that can be fossil fuels, etc. The fourth use of isotopes is as these isotopes can be used in chemical reactions and structure determination. For example, carbon 14, this is isotope of carbon, can be used to label carbon dioxide. As carbon dioxide is used by plants for photosynthesis that makes glucose, so its movement can be detected through the various intermediate steps. So this is fourth use of isotopes. We can shortly say that isotopes can be used in chemical reactions and structure determination. And last uses of isotope is as application in power generation. Power generation mean producing electricity or power, atomic power, electric power. Many powers can be generated or produced. So these isotopes can be used for the power generation, as when uranium isotope 235 is bombarded by neutron, there are formed two more isotopes. First one is barium, its atomic number is 56 and mass number is 139. And second one is krypton, its atomic number is 36 and mass number is 94. Beside this, there will be produce many neutron and much of energy will be released. That energy can be used in power generation. So these was the uses of isotopes. First use was radioactivity or treatment of cancer, and second was tracing for diagnosis and medicine. Third was archaeological and geological use. Fourth was chemical reaction and structure determination, and last one is application in power generation. So this was last topic of chapter number 2, naming structure of atom. Tomorrow we will do exercise of chapter number 2, and after that we will start the chapter number 3. So the topic is ended. You should revise it, practice it, and if you have any question you can ask again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.